Let's jump right into this explainer on Synconics Technology's ultimate ERP solution for the solar industry. It's a completely ready-to-use platform built to handle literally everything from your first lead to final handover. Still pulling your hair out over disconnected tools, bad estimates, and massive project delays? We get it. Say goodbye to spreadsheets. The centralized system stops those disconnected operations from bleeding your margins dry. It perfectly pulls 6 crucial operational steps into one seamless ecosystem, from CRM right through execution. You get absolute inventory control, including precise batch and serial tracking for your panels and inverters. Plus, you get real-time financial clarity with milestone billing, expense tracking, and rock-solid project profitability data. Check out these smart dashboards. They instantly compare your active projects against exact data-driven revenue forecasts. On the front end, it automates lead follow-ups and captures vital site survey details like shading analysis. Then, this intelligent engine instantly calculates your required panel capacity, hardware costs, and exact mounting structures. It even estimates government subsidies and ROI, automatically generating PDF quotations and managing your approval workflows. For execution, you get multi-level task management and real-time tracking, tailor-made for complex solar installations. Crucially, a highly configurable quality control system ensures every single installation meets strict engineering standards. These dynamic checklists actually require photo evidence of DC wiring and validate solar generation against strict benchmarks. This guarantees a flawless project handover with automated warranty docs, building massive after-sales trust and loyalty. Whether you're doing local residential installs or massive utility-scale solar farms, this architecture completely scales. Built natively on Odoo ERP, it slashes manual work and seriously accelerates your project delivery times. Book a live demo today, because as solar scales globally, is your infrastructure ready for the boom?